Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever been stuck in a moment where your skin feels so dry and irritated that nothing seems to work? I know that struggle all too well. But today, I've got something that might just be the relief you've been searching for. We're diving into the Clarins SOS Comfort Nourishing Balm Mask, a luxurious treat for dehydrated skin that promises to restore comfort, radiance, and a healthy glow in just 10 minutes. This mask is specifically designed for dry skin types, and it's packed with nourishing ingredients to help your skin feel soft, soothed, and intensely hydrated. It's the kind of product you'll want to reach for when your skin is begging for moisture and TLC. The formula is enriched with mango extract and a blend of oils, giving it that lovely tropical scent that's both refreshing and soothing. The texture is rich and creamy, almost like a balm, and it feels incredibly comforting as it glides on. It's also free from mineral oils, silicones, and is non-comedogenic, which means it's gentle on the skin without clogging pores. So how did this product actually perform in real-life testing? I used it during a particularly dry spell in my skincare routine when my skin was feeling tight and uncomfortable. After applying it for 10 minutes, as per the instructions, my skin felt immediately smoother and more nourished. The mask doesn't dry out like some others I've tried. It stays creamy, which makes the removal process simple and easy. I did notice that my skin appeared brighter and more radiant, just as the product claims. Plus, the soothing feeling didn't wear off as soon as I washed it off, which was a huge plus for me. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this mask definitely delivers on its promise of comfort and hydration. The scent is absolutely divine, not overpowering, but just enough to make the experience feel spa-like. My skin felt soft, plump, and nourished after each use. And I really appreciated how quickly it worked. Just 10 minutes, and my skin looked noticeably better. On the flip side, I do think this product may be a bit heavy for those with oilier skin types, so if you're prone to shine or acne, this might not be your go-to. Also, while it's a lovely treat, it's not something you'll want to use daily, unless you're dealing with severe dryness, as it's more of a hydrating mask rather than a deep, purifying one. When it comes to value for money, Clarins products are often on the pricier side, and this one is no exception. However, considering the high-quality ingredients and the effectiveness in soothing and hydrating dry skin, I would say it's worth the splurge if you're looking to give your skin a little luxury boost. In terms of alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, there are definitely other nourishing masks out there that offer similar benefits, though they might not have the same luxurious experience or instant results. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, brands like Neutrogena or The Ordinary have nourishing masks that also hydrate well. Now, Clarins does have a solid reputation for customer service, though I didn't personally need to reach out, which is always a good sign. Their products are generally well-loved in the beauty community for both effectiveness and luxurious feel. Wrapping things up, this mask is an excellent choice for anyone struggling with dry, uncomfortable skin. If you're someone who's dealing with dehydration or just looking for a quick, effective boost of moisture, it's definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Clarins SOS Comfort Nourishing Balm Mask, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below, and let's chat about it. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on any future reviews. The link to purchase this product is down in the description in case you're itching to grab it for yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.